In this fingerstyle guitar tutorial, we'll take a look at the PIM triplet pattern. And I would like to show you how to do this with a movable bass line. So if you hadn't had a chance to watch my previous video on how to set up your right hand or your finger picking hand, please do that. We're going to come out of the PIMA position. The thumb will be playing, or the P will be playing 6th, 5th, 4th, and 3rd strings, and then I and M will be playing 2nd and 1st strings. So the triplet part will be 3 notes in 1 beat, which is triplet. And try to use this rest stroke with the thumb. It gives you better control and more emphasis on the bass. So what we're going to do is we're going to count 4 in 4, so 4/4 timing, and we'll have 4 beats, and we'll have 3 notes inside each one of the beats. So it'll go like this: 1 olet, 2 olet, 3 olet, 4 olet. So the chord progression that I'm going to use A7, D7, A7, E7, and back to A7. So we'll start with A7. 3 olet, 4 olet, 1 olet, 2 olet, 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 3 olet, 4 olet. A little bit faster, it'll sound like this. Remember, we're trying to emphasize the bass line here. 1 olet, 2 olet, 3 olet, 4 olet, 1 olet, 2 olet, 3 olet, 4 olet, 1 olet, 2 olet, olet, 4 olet, 1 olet, 2 olet, 3 olet, 4 olet, 1 olet, 2 olet, 3 olet, 4 olet. Alright, that's it for this PIM triplet pattern using the alternating bass line. In this next lesson, I will go a little bit further into breaking each one of the movements that I was doing with my right hand. So I will see you then.